Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dia Cecilia. Today I will presentation. This topic is an essential part linguistics as it directly relates to how we understand and use language in our daily life. The topic is divided into two main parts: semantic, which studies literal meanings, and pragmatics, which examines how context influence meaning. I hope this presentation will be beneficial and clear for everyone. Let's begin. The first, let's discuss semantics. Semantics is the branch of linguistics that studies meaning in language. It involves understanding how words, phrase, or sentence represent ideas or objects in the real world. For instance, when we hear the word tree, we immediately imagine and plan with a trunk, leaves, and roots. Semantics helps us understand the meaning of this word without needing additional context. However, semantics is not limited to individual words. It also includes how sentence structure affect meaning. For example, the dog bites the man has different meaning from the man bites the dog. The first semantic is crucial in understanding the legal meaning of language. In context, pragmatics focus on how context influences meaning. In the communication, what speakers mean is not always the same as what is literally said. For example, if someone says, "It's really hot here," they might be indirectly asking you to turn on the fan or air conditioner depending on the situation. That's what pragmatics is about, understanding the speaker's intended meaning based on the context of the conversations. Pragmatics also involves aspects such as tone of voice, body language, and even cultural norms. This makes it more complex but also fascinating to study because it closely relates to how we communicate daily. Now let's discuss the difference between semantic and pragmatic. Semantic is context dependent, meaning its meaning does not change because of the context. Pragmatic, on the other hand, its context depends on relies heavily on context. For instance, the sentence "I'm hungry" semantically means that someone feels hungry. However, pragmatically, in given situations, it could be a way of asking for food directly. Another difference is the practice. Semantic implicit the meaning of word and structure of language, while pragmatic focus on the purpose and intention behind this word. The first understanding that will help us become better communication. We can convey our mission clearly and interpret other intention more accurately. Second, this knowledge is highly beneficial in many fields such as language teaching, translation, and even technology. For example, in AI development, semantics help nations understand the meaning of the word, while pragmatics enable them to interpret conversations context. Third, studying semantics and pragmatics also help us understand culture and how language reflects and society way of being. Although they are different, semantic and pragmatics are interrelated. Semantic provides a foundations for literal meaning, while pragmatics encourages that meaning by considering context. For example, if someone says "good job," semantic would interpret this as praise. However, pragmatics would consider the tone of voice, facial expressions, or situation which might involve its scrums. To understand both help appraise the meaning of communication, whether it's direct or implicit. To clarify further, here are two simple examples. First, in semantic, the sentence the cat is on the mat means that the cat is literally on the mat. It meaning does not change regardless of the context. Second, in pragmatics, the sentence "Can you please pass the salad?" Pragmatically, punctuation as polite requests depend on the tone and context. They show that pragmatics is more flexible and context sensitive. In conclusion, semantics and pragmatics are two branches of linguistics that help us understand human communication. Semantics study the literal meaning of language, while pragmatics focus on how context influences the meaning. Both complement each other and are invitation for understanding how language works. I hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi